even yung grade 5 learners ko, nahihirapan sa basic operation, yung kanilang low level of readiness, and then yung limited background knowledge nila in basic skills like reading and then mathematics, and also yung adapt of teaching strategies ng mga teachers, and then isa pa is yung collaboration within the school environment. Nung pumunta ako dun sa inyong Facebook page, ka-attend ako doon sa first na Aral Reading Remediation ng GBF. Na-inlove talaga ako doon sa ginagawa ninyo na tulungan yung mga teachers on how they will help the learners to read. Din sa Aral Math about sa CPA, yung concrete, pictorial, and abstract, nakita ko yung importance niya. Magagamit ko ito to support my learners on the basic skills para mas maging matatag yung kanila foundational skills sa mathematics. I need to really capacitate and help my co-teachers, especially in kindergarten, na ngayon pa lamang matutunan na ng mga bata yung basic skills na to using the CPA approach. Nung naka-attend ako ng ating webinar, gumawa muna ako ng work application plan and then submitted to our principal and then approved to conduct the LAC session. And also, ginamit ko din sa inset yung materials na to. Ginamit ko is yung mga available resources nila, katulad nga ng popsicle sticks, and then yung mga counters lang talaga na hindi teachers do not need to buy. Very positive naman sila sa pinakita ko. Sila din ay nag-create their own CPA material para sa kanilang mga learners. They are very thankful na pag-share ng strategy para sa kanilang mga learners. Yung impact nito na makita ko na mayroong improvements sa mathematics skills nila. We have 500 learners, and then half of that since sa beginning, sa BOSIC namin is more than 200 non-readers. Then, yung 200 na yon more on nasa instructional na sila. I use the CPA approach to train my kindergarten learners for the International Mathematics Olympiad. And gold awardees po yun, kaya po naparangalan din po na Best Coach of the Year. So dahil po din sa inyo, thank you. I use the certificate for my reclassification for Master Teacher 2. Hindi ko pwedeng hindi i-share yung ginagawa ng GBF kasi every Saturday, you give your time for us. It's a way to give back. Iba yung dating sa akin. Iba yung kirot sa puso ko na hindi pwedeng sarilinin ko yung nalaman ko. Kailangan ituro ko to sa iba para maka-impluwensya din, katulad ng ginagawa niyo. Thank you for seeing us a fertile soil worthy of your time, effort, and skill. I pray that this passion will continue to light our path